Sam, the sound of S. And find out what kind of animal this is. Sam is a sand crab. Look, his home is down in the sand. Sam lives on land. So there he is. He's living on the land. It's kind of sandy land. Sam sits on the sand. So it's just kind of sitting there. He's not moving. Sam sits in the sun. Look at that. Getting lots of sun, isn't he? The sun is hot. And there's the sun. There's the beach. There's the water and the sand. The sky. Sam is hot. The sun is too hot for Sam. Get under the sand, Sam. So he's starting to dig and get under the sand so he won't be so hot. And let the sun set. Wow, then it cools down when the sun sets. See, there's the sun going down, sunset. Here's all the water, the beach, up in the sky. There's a bird. Let the sun set. Then come out again, Sam. The word list. Sam, sand, set, sits, sun. The sound of S. And for more books and resources, go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.